Okay friends, I'm Deepak Chabria here and I teach yoga in Mumbai. Now this video, it's around 4 o'clock in the evening. It is about Surya Yoga. Surya means the sun, our primordial source of light and energy. Yoga means to unite, to join with him. Now this is one powerful sadhana or a process to deal with these tough times in this COVID times, to how to deal with anxiety, worries, how to increase your immunity, how to kind of deal with this situation and be at peace and ensure that nothing bad will happen to you, nothing wrong will happen to you despite this circumstance which we are in. So now, what we have to do is, in Surya Yoga Sadhana, we start with a simple process called taking blessings from all the spiritual masters. So it's like this. I think I'll take the phone next to my balcony. I'll be standing there. First you take blessings from all the spiritual masters. So the mantra is Om Sarva Rishi Swaraya Namaha thrice. So let me just take the phone over there. And I'll be doing the process also. I'm sitting in my balcony and please understand it's a very simple and a powerful process. So you can do this in the morning, early morning, rising sun or sunset or any time during the day. The idea is you have to look at the sun. If you're in sunrise phase, in the early morning rising sun between 6:45 to 7 now, or in the evening between 6 to 6:15 or 6:15 or 6:20. But since we are quarantined, we cannot go out of the house, neither to the on the terrace or down. You can do it from your house itself anytime during the day. It's just a matter of faith and belief. That's all. As we've heard, faith can move mountains here. Faith can not only move mountains, but also it can break mountains. So the first mantra, the first process is taking blessings from all the spiritual masters. I'm facing west now because this side is west facing and the sun comes at around 4:15 to my balcony. So what is the mantra? Om Sarva Rishi Swaraya Namaha thrice. Spread your arms like this, upwards towards the sky, assuming you're in the open. Om Sarva Rishi Swaraya Namaha. Take blessings from all the spiritual masters 3 times. Then, after that, chant the Surya Namaskar mantras. It is very good. Even if you don't know, it's fine. Just chant Surya Namaha 12 times. I just chant the 12 Surya Namaskar mantras quickly. I've done my sadhana in the morning, but I'm doing it for you all now just to record the 12 mantras. You can Google it. Like this, facing the sun. Om Mitraya Namaha. Om Ravaye Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Khagaya Namaha. Om Pushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Mariche Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arakaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. You can chant the Gayatri mantra thrice. I just chanted once. Om Bhurabhuvasvaha. Om Tatsaviturvarenyam. Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi. Dhiyo yo nah prachodayat. The 21 different names of Surya, Google it. Just write 21 different names, Google the significance. I just chant quickly. Om Vikartana Vivasvana Martanda Bhaskara Ravi Loka Prakashaka Shriman Loka Chakshu Maheshwara Loka Sakshi Trilokeshu Karta Harta Tamisrahata Parnata Parna Suchi Saptashvavahana Gabasti Hasta Brahma Sarvadev Namaskruta. Then you can just keep some water next to you. Just offer a little bit of water to him and chant Om Sri Surya Narayanaya. Keep the balance, Surya Narayanaya Namaha, thanking him. Keep the balanced water. Let the rays of the sun fall in the balanced water. You can keep it in any vessel. Now, the main sadhana, this is just a preparatory process. Now what you need to do is take a copper coin preferably, or any coin will do. If you don't have a copper coin, stick it here at the space between the eyebrows. This is the Agnya Chakra, or it is also called, as my Surya Swami used to call, gateway to heaven, or also seat of intuition. This stimulates the pineal gland. So fix it here at the space between the eyebrows and sit in Shakti Mudra. What is Shakti Mudra? Entwine your fingers like this. Join the tip of your index finger and the right hand tip. Similarly, left hand finger, left hand tip, index finger and the thumb tip. The balance 6 fingers are pointing upwards towards the sky or towards the what you call ceiling now, right now. And this is Shakti Mudra, which kind of stimulates the energies and the energy centers in the body. Place the Shakti Mudra here at the lower abdominal area like this and sit facing the sun. Okay? Now focus your mind at the coin where we have fixed the coin. So first be grateful to him. Now I can't look at the sun because he's too bright. Doesn't matter. I'll keep my eyes closed, but it's the faith and the sankalpa, the affirmation is important. So as you sit in front of him, be grateful to him for the fact that we are alive and we exist. So thank him first because he's the doer. As one of the 21 names suggests, Harta Karta, it is his doing. The situation also now, the tough situation which we are in is also his doing. He will only give us a solution, how to deal with it and how do we come out of it successfully. So accept the situation first. It's very important to accept and take his blessings, breathe in his blessings, breathe in his energy, breathe in at the coin area. Think you have a pair of nostrils over there. Breathe in his energy, breathe in his strength and breathe out all the negativities of the body. Whatever you feel, I have to talk to the camera, but you are basically looking at the sun. If you are not looking, if you are doing it at 4 o'clock, you cannot look, obviously, he is very strong. So if you are doing it in the morning or late in the evening, it's possible to look at the sunlight. It's better to look at him, but since some of you may not be able to go up to the terrace or being quarantined at home or even on the compound or in your balcony, you can sit and do it any time of the day, even 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock. With your eyes closed, it's fine, it doesn't matter. So breathe in his blessings, his energy at the coin area and breathe out all the negativities of the body. Whatever you feel needs to be eliminated, any aches, pains, any problems at the physical level. So the gross physical body should be kept healthy and breathe out the negativities of the body. The back should be straight because the energy and the breath currents flow up and down the spine. So breathe out negativities of the body. Anything, whatever you feel needs to be eliminated. It could be anything. It could be an ache or a pain, some injury, something tangible, some high blood pressure, anything at the physical level. Breathe out and breathe in his energy. Let this process go on for a while, for a couple of minutes. Then deal with the mind. Breathe out calm, krodh, lobh, moh, ahankar, ego, lust, anger, greed, hatred, jealousy, fears, anxieties. Oh, what will happen? How will I survive this? Leave everything up to him. He's the doer. Take him as your friend, our only true friend. The first Surya Namaskar mantra says Mitraya Namaha. He is our friend. He will guide us. He will show us the path, how to deal with the situation. Ask for strength. Breathe out any anxieties, worries, depression. Breathe out. From your coin area, breathe in strength. Ask for mental strength. Ask for equanimity of behavior in all situations, good and bad. I will remain calm. You are there with me. Just as Arjuna opted for Krishna in Mahabharata, just as Surya guided Krishna's son Samba through the process of chanting 21 names, and he cured him of a terminal disease, and also he guided Rama in the war in Ramayana. Through Agastya Muni, he told him to chant the Aditya Hridayam thrice. Similarly here, why will he not guide us? Take him as your friend. Have faith in him. Ask for his mentorship, friendship. So breathe out negativities of the mind. Breathe in love. Breathe in compassion. Breathe in peace. Breathe in joy. Breathe out peace. Breathe in love. Breathe out love. Breathe out compassion. So let this catharsis for the body and the mind go on. Let the mind be inundated with positive thoughts. Just as the light doesn't know darkness, similarly the mind, being positive, will not know any darkness of any negativities, of any fears. When I say negativities, I mean when I say darkness, I mean negativities of the mind, which pulls you down, depression, fears, anxieties, worries. So all these processes, let it go on for 10 minutes. Now, make a wish to him. He is our friend, right? If I don't make a wish to him, then whom will I make a wish? So whatever you want, whatever you want. Make a request. I want dot 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 dot. Fill in the blanks. As far as I am concerned, I request my friend as a personal request to heal this world with his energy, to guide the people who are suffering, to help them to come out of their miseries in his own inimitable way. So you make a request, whatever you want. I want. Be careful in your wants, because he will grant them. Miracles happen, friends, and through my own experiences I am saying miracles happen, and they do happen, and I believe in miracles. So send out a request to him, send out a thought to him, make a request, and as your eyes are open, see that request being manifested. Okay, that will happen. But see it with the eye of your mind, your inner eye. So make the request now. After having done this, close your eyes. You are sitting facing the sun. Now is the third step in your Surya Yoga sadhana. You are sitting in Shakti Mudra. Okay. Now visualize the flow of energy. I have to face the camera, but the sun is that side. But I am talking to you. So visualize the flow of energy. I have to unlock my Shakti Mudra from the Agnya Chakra in one straight line. Let it come down to the throat. Let the Visuddhi Chakra get stimulated. When I say stimulated, I mean all the organs and glands of the throat are functioning optimally. From here, visualize the light coming here at the Anahata Chakra, center of the chest. From here, in one straight line, let the light come here at the Manipurak, navel Manipurak Chakra. From there, let this light, our inner light, which we have glowed by looking at the sun, or keeping the eyes closed, you will be able to see a beautiful golden red light at the space between the eyebrows, the Agnya Chakra. This itself stimulates the pineal gland at the Agnya Chakra. Let it come down to Swadhisthana Chakra, 2 fingers below the navel. From the Swadhisthana, let this light go down to the perineum, Mooladhara, the root chakra. Let that chakra get stimulated. From the Mooladhara, let the light come up along the spine, along the Sushumna canal, along the Sushumna Nadi. Let it come to the crown chakra, Sahasrahar. From Sahasrahar, let this light go up to the sun. The individual energy merging with the supreme source of light and energy. Just as an individual wave in an ocean has a lifespan, it has an individual entity, but then it becomes water, it merges with the ocean, becomes the ocean. Similarly here, we are uniting with our primordial source of light and energy, Surya. This individual energy, let it lose its identity, name, form, gender, nothing. Become light, become like him. So once you make this affirmation, I am light, eternal light, sitting in front of the sun, no virus, no nothing can touch you. Believe me, friends, do this sadhana. Be in yoga with him, take in his energy, unite with him. You are sitting in Shakti Mudra like this. Close your eyes and wear a Surya Kavach. Mentally visualize you are wearing a strong shield. Kavach is nothing but a shield, a Surya Kavach. There is a stotram, you can see a kind of a shloka, Surya Kavach stotram. Even if you don't know, it's fine, it's okay. Just visualize you are wearing a stotra, Surya Kavach, and kind of expand your aura, be one. Spread your aura, this golden red light, throughout the universe, throughout the globe. Be one with him. Let all beings be happy. So meditate on this light for around 10-12 minutes. Let the catharsis, the elimination of negativities go on initially for 10 minutes. So totally around 20-25 minutes it will take you. Then how do you come out from this process? Unlock, you're in Shakti Mudra, right? Like this. Unlock it. Just surrender to his wish and will unconditionally, like this. Forehead should touch the floor. This is a sofa here in my balcony. So it's touching the forehead, touching the floor. Remove the coin. And now you kind of take this water, if you remember initially it was here, and say this prayer. Adideva Aditasya Namaskaram Ye Kuravanti Dine Dine. Even if you don't know it, it's okay. Just listen to the prayer. Janamantar Sahasreshu Daryagram Upnapujayate Akala Mrityu Haranam Sarva Vyadhi Vinashanam Suryapadodakam Tirtham Yatare Dharayam Yaham Sharire Jarjarir Bhute Vyadhi Graste Kalevare Aushadham Janavi Toyam. Aushadham means this water becomes an elixir. Janavi means it becomes an elixir. Toyam means water. Narayano Hare. Then drink this water. And you concluded with this Asatoma prayer. Om Asatoma Satgamaya Tamsoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Mrutam Gamaya Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina Sarve Santu Niramayaha सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःख भाग् भवेत्. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. After this, even if you don't know the Sanskrit version, it's okay. Just pray for the well-being of this entire universe. Drink this water. It is like purified, pure elixir. Just think, even if you don't know the prayer which I chanted, it's fine. Mentally think that you're drinking this water which is purified by the rays of the sun. Nothing ever will touch you. After this, sir, please take blessings from all the four directions. Now I'm facing west. Turn right to north. Take blessings from north. All the spiritual masters are blessing us. Take blessings from east. Opposite of west is east. And back to south. Turn right to south. All four directions like this. I'm showing you so that I'm on the screen, but you're standing and doing it when you're taking the blessings. And back to west here. After this, the culmination, you got to clap for 324 times. Clapping stimulates all the chakras of the body, and there are 4 energy centers in the palm. So clap loudly for 324 times like this. So I just clapped around 20-25 times. 324 times you got to clap. And then the grand finale, laugh your guts out like this. Laughing is very good for blood circulation. This is how you end your Surya Yoga Sadhana, friends. The entire process will take you around maximum 25-30 minutes, not more than that. I'm already sweating, but so be it. I don't care. I'm facing the sun. I'm facing the camera, but he's on my left, my friend, my mitra. So this sadhana is very, very powerful, taught to me by around 18-17 years back by Surya Swami Acharya Joel, who came into my life, and I've been practicing it nearly every day without fail, whenever, if not morning then evening or afternoon if I get the time. If you cannot look at the sun, it's fine, you can close your eyes and do the sadhana, but visualize his energy coming in. That's very important. Okay, thank you, God bless. Once again, Deepak Chhabria signing off. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy.